What's up, y'all? This is Mel and Keisha back with another Eating Chat. I'm Mel.
I'm Keish.
And this is a Walk in the Fat Woman's Shoes. Welcome back, MK Saints. Welcome visitors, passing throughs. Tonight's Eating Chat, we have ribeye
Yeah.
and shrimp. Surf and turf,
Yeah.
but I have cheesy broccoli with mine. We drinking on that good old H2O.
Y'all know Big Girl ain't here, but Big Girl will do what?
Nothing.
Girl, please, you made that up. She will save you in a crisis. Yes, she will. Yes, she will. And how to get a big girl, a big soul, a big baby, or even a male baby will be in the description box below. So you gonna click that link. You gonna get yourself on your order to yourself. Go on, do it. Go on, do it. You ready?
I'm waiting on you.
God is good. God is great. Thank you for the meal about to receive. Bless your name. Bless your prayers of the meal. Amen.
Amen.
So what's going on with you guys tonight? Let us know what y'all eating if y'all eating with us. Also, let us know what's going on in y'all neck of the woods. How's your weather treating? And what y'all did today? Y'all know I want to know. I'm nosy. I'm nosy. Y'all know I'm nosy. Nah, look at that. Look at that. Y'all see that? And I know y'all see that red. It's still mooing, baby. Still mooing. And on my shrimp, I just sauteed them in some butter and onions and just threw a little parsley flakes on it for good measure. It is what it is.
Anyway,
So yeah.
you finished?
Yes, I am. Go
You
ahead,
through?
girl. Yup. Because I was going to get me and you don't never let me get in
That's
on
not
our
true.
channel.
That's not true. You know what? God bless you.
Mm-hmm.
I have cheesy A1 shrimp. And we're going to see if I do another complete 95% plate clean tonight.
I doubt it. Because when that steak is big and thick, and if you got shrimp and cheesy broccoli, come on. Uh, mm.
Mm.
Oh, so well.
These shrimp.
Okay. Okay.
You want to try shrimp?
Mm-mm.
I wasn't talking to you.
All right. Mm-hmm. A good piece of fat. Mm-hmm.
Watch it, the shell on there. The tail.
I took the
What's
tail
that?
off mine. I was going to keep it on there. I just wanted to be able to eat it whole without having to, you know, pull it off. Mm. Oh God. A piece of the fat was coming off before we did this video. I put in the air fryer. Oh Lord, so succulent, so good. Okay, and this is some fat right here. Then I'm gonna throw in there later. This is fat with a little meat on it. Mmm. Y'all, this is good. This is really good.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all, I want to say, I want to say, y'all, I need y'all to throw up some special prayers for Miss Boosie and Tootsie. They just lost their brother and everything. I need y'all to throw up some special prayers for their family and everything. Chick, you already know. We over here praying for y'all. We love y'all, and y'all gonna get through it. Y'all gonna get through it. I'm gonna eat this whole piece right here with this meat, with this fat on it. Matter of fact, let me get my surf and turf on. Mm, 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 mm. Yesterday, I made eggs and ground pork. I didn't even want to eat. I don't know. Yesterday, I was really, really hyped. I was really hyper. I was coming off, honestly, a 25-hour fast because we didn't eat till an hour after. So I broke that. I broke that earlier today.
Yeah.
I had a piece of burger with no bun. Um, that was good. This is my actual meal for the day.
Man,
So good, feel like I'm cheating. So good, feel like I'm having a cheat day. Mm-hmm. You know when you have a cheat day, it be real, real good. That's how I feel right now.
so how y'all weather? It's rainy here. Ain't no thunder and lightning. Just
Mm-mm.
rain. Guess it's a good
Mm.
thing we didn't go nowhere.
Right. Is it gonna be raining tomorrow?
Mm-hmm. I
Mm-mm.
won't be cooking my steak like that no more. Cause I use my a burner. It just don't do it justice.
It's supposed to be 10%. That ain't no rain. But Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Thursday is 80, Friday is 70, and Saturday is 50%.
Wow.
I gotta call my baby because he don't like He don't like the rain. He ain't thunder, but he still don't like rain.
Man. I I'm trying to reduce my screen time. So I started reading. I don't know how that's working for me. Hey,
I hate when my kids do
what you doing?
that. Excuse us. Sorry about that.
I don't know, y'all. I won't go hit my steak back in the pot.
Why? Oh, excuse me.
Oh, it didn't cook it how I like it, and I won't go put it in the pot that I like to cook it in.
Mm.
Like yeah, it look all pretty and whatever, but I wasn't meant to eat that. Because when I went to go get it, it fell to the floor.
I'm messing with her. I ain't gonna be able to finish this.
Not Keisha.
Yeah, teacher. You know how sometimes when you make your food and you don't really enjoy it, and it's not because it's not good, it's because you're not hungry. That's how I was yesterday. I was not hungry, so I didn't really enjoy it. So I couldn't really eat it like that because I wasn't going to be able to enjoy it because I was irritated just because I wasn't hungry. But I knew I needed to put something in my body. Man, I ate about 4 forkfuls of that egg and pork. I was right. It was alright. Wow.
Mm.
Is that the rain?
Mm-mm. Keep boiling water.
Oh. I think I could do just one more piece. I did it.
You ain't eat all your shrimp.
I can't.
I just didn't put that in my.
I can't finish it. Oh,
What you
I
talking
have
about
this
me?
much a steak left. This is like a whole ribeye. A whole one of them, like the little 2-piece ribeyes you get at Walmart. Yeah, I told Dr. Little Big, come on. Let's be real. You trying to go put your steak back. Yeah. Yeah, that's it for me. I'm gonna drink this water. It's gonna be a wrap.
Broccoli gone. You got pork there or something?
Well, no, I was doing like this.
You shaking and drinking
No, I was just
water.
doing like this. Oh, man. That was good. It was really good. I can't do no more. That's a good thing. Oof. And it's rare enough that if I want to just zap it in the microwave or zap it in the air fryer for like maybe 2 minutes, it'll still be ready. You know what I'm saying? It'll still be ready after 2-3 minutes in the microwave. Or I don't know about the microwave. I don't know. It might be. It might deaden it out. It might make it well done. I don't want that. But I do know this much. That's a wrap for the night for me. I can't do no more, y'all. That's a wrap.
I ate that plate of food last night, and then I went to sleep.
Right.
I let it go down for about an hour, but they normally tell you to do 3-4 hours.
That was good. That was really, really good.
Our sons look at us cross-eyed because we buy steaks. And they say it's too high. But they don't so be happy to run and take it off our plate.
Right. I don't know. I think I'm gonna eat a ground meat meal tomorrow.
Nah,
I don't know.
Curtis bought a nice porterhouse. Excuse me, Dwayne will buy a steak. But I don't ever remember Terrell buying one steak.
He's bought one. Period. One.
Chicken steak.
I don't know. He's actually bought a steak. He bought a steak once.
For you?
Yeah. Nah, for himself. Once.
Wow. Well, like I said, Curtis bought a porterhouse once.
Mm-hmm.
Dwayne eats. He loves to eat. So he buys steak, him.
Oh yeah. That boy be on swole. He will buy that steak. Oh no, why my clothes like that? Oh, that's why. Anyway, He'll buy that. He'll buy a steak, uh, T-bone, ribeye, porterhouse. He's never bought a chuck steak though. He's never bought that. You know. But I told him get the chuck roast. Put it in the the instant pot, baby. So good, so good. I know what I'm doing tomorrow.
Don't do it, Mel.
What am I gonna
But go
do?
ahead and taste
Just
this
leave it
one
alone.
last piece. No,
You don't have to eat it all, please. And like I was saying, as you can see, it is still pink. You know, it's still pink. So whereas, like I said, if I put it in the air fryer or the microwave, it'll still be a little pink. Cause I don't need it to be scorching hot for me to eat it. I just need a little heat on it. That's all. Just
hey,
a
your
little heat.
timer going off. Whoever you want.
Yeah.
No, I'm done.
Yeah, me too. Me too. This
Me.
this was good. This was good. But I can't do no more. I can barely drink that water.
What I think I'm gonna do with this here, I'm gonna rinse it off, chop it up.
Rinse it off.
Yeah.
What is it, too salty?
No, I'm gonna rinse it off because I'm gonna make a soup with it,
Okay.
and I can taste all those outside different seasonings I used on the top. But as you can see, it's raw, so
Right.
you ain't really get it now.
Correct. Well, sure, I'm thinking about like for my first meal, cutting these sides off. You know, keeping them, cutting my sides off, and just making like little fillets, like filleting them.
Slices,
Yeah, little
strips.
good. Now why you gotta act like that? Like she ain't ever heard me say fillet? Like filleting them. Anyway, yeah, making little slices and have little steak slices and these little faux shrimp for lunch and for dinner, probably roast.
So
I probably do a roast, something like that.
I don't know if I told y'all, but somebody want to see me with some kind of plant, and since it's gotten cooler, my plants have started to grow again in the grow box. A few seeds have popped up.
Right.
I have like maybe 3 or 4 tomato plants, and they got something else in there. We were saying we had to wait till it got older to identify it.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I'm kind of happy about that. I threw me some more pepper seeds out there. See if they take, and hopefully they do, because peppers. Oh, and I also threw some turnip seeds out there, because me and my sons, we love baby turnips fried in bacon. Girl, it's delicious. You don't know what you're missing.
No, just give me the bacon.
Nope. And for that dish, I get thick cut bacon, and I chop it up to about that big, and I let them fry a little crisp. Then I dump a little bit of the grease out, put some butter in it, and throw the turnips in there and just cook them down. Oh, they be so
It
delicious.
sounds good.
We love our turnips like that big, like maybe half $1 size, bite size. Whereas I don't have to cut them or peel them or none of that. And oh my God, y'all just don't know, that is so delicious. And you know what's funny about that? My uncle was complaining. Well, he came over when I had cooked it and he got some. And he said, wow, I ain't had this in a long time. And it's almost as good as your grandpa's. He said, whenever my grandpa had to cook for them, that's the kind of stuff he would cook them. Bacon and turnips. And he said my grandpa used to feed it to him so much, He hated bacon and turnips.
Yes, indeed.
That mean he had to feed that to him a lot. Like,
Pretty
on
much.
what the hell was my grandma?
Right.
He said, and something else he said my grandpa used to cook that he used to eat so much of it he ain't want it no more. I was like, man, but bacon and turnips, I don't see how that could be. Because if you cook them long enough, and from the way my daddy cooked, they cooked them long enough, they came down like potatoes. So they would be like smothered potatoes with bacon. But of course it'll be the turnip. But you know, the bigger you let the turnip grow, the bigger you let it grow, the bitterer it tastes. That's why me and my sons prefer them like that.
The little baby turnips.
Yeah.
Okay, because I used to wonder why you don't got the big turnips. And so, like the ones we see in the store, they had the big ones. Then you go to the little baby turnips. I'm like, how can you fall off that? Or stuff like that. But
Because they're sweeter and they don't have as much of a sulfuric taste. Yeah. And no, we would grow turnips just for that dish every year. Me and my sons. That's how much we like that. What?
You ever had the little garden out there? All the little kids be out there in the garden, turning over the garden and stuff. It was cute. Because she had a little, what would you call it? Like a little neighborhood garden? Like a neighbor.
No.
I mean, even though it was her garden, it was like a little neighborhood garden because the kids in the block will come out there. I want to do it, and that was nice to see, the children wanting to do something like that because you ain't getting them children outside. You
that
ain't
was
getting them
something
outside.
new to them.
Yeah.
You have to realize, except for the West kids, they were from the country.
Yeah.
So, but the rest of them kids, they was all from Dallas.
Yeah.
They
didn't do that.
They didn't do that.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, when I was doing that, my neighbors was like, "Why are you doing that?" Right. I was like, "To grow vegetables so we can."
Somebody was like, "Y'all putting bodies out there? What? Y'all about to bury bodies? What?" I ain't gonna lie. The way she had that, the way her and them kids had that turned up, it did look like they had them buried some bodies.
Because every year, we add dirt, we turn the dirt, and we cultivate the dirt. And I just leave it as a big field. And that's when I would put my
it was nice and scary.
My pesticides in the dirt. Just at the beginning. And I let it rest for some days.
Right, she used to make some of the hugest
and then we go
squash
grow them up.
I have ever seen. Hugest squash. And I'm talking
I didn't make those. God made those.
Okay, yeah. She had some of the hugest squashes come out of that garden that I had ever seen. You know what I mean? You could eat off that for at least 2-3 days. They were huge. You still have those pictures?
I have a couple of them.
Yeah, I mean, they were big. They were really big. Then when she did watermelons, people were stealing our watermelons. They were stealing it. I'm like, dang, you must have really did a lot of watermelons. Because she was like, come go see. I go see, they got watermelons stolen. I'm like, wow. She was like, he stole watermelon, but, it is what it is. Maybe you needed it more,
This motherfucker ain't needed more. He was just calling himself getting back at me.
Yeah.
Petty ass.
Right.
That motherfucker probably sat there and ate them all.
You think?
Yep.
Yeah. That's why the vegetables stayed there.
He destroyed my vegetables and stole my watermelons.
Right.
Fat bastard.
Hold on, my man. And on that note, y'all, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. We love y'all. Y'all take care. Be blessed.
Wasn't my fault. The Saints beat the Eagles.
Right. We love y'all. Y'all take care. Be blessed. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thank you for coming and watching and rocking with us. And until next time.
Wasn't none of that other shit my fault either. When you don't listen and you think you know better, you get what the fuck you get.
Right.
But because you got what I told you was gonna get, you was mad at me.
Right.
Do that make any fucking sense? No.
Not at all.
No, it don't.
Anyway, y'all, we gonna flash it down and dig it later because I know y'all can pick up what we are putting down. You hear me? Peace, y'all.
Peace.